Hi, to hide albums on your POCO X7 we got several ways. The first one is you can open gallery. Here make sure you're in an albums folder and now tap on plus to create new album. Then give it a name, for example hidden, tap OK, and now let me rename it to something else and tap OK. After that, you need to choose items you want to add to this album. I'm gonna select one photo and one video and tap check mark to confirm. Now, if you want to hide them at all, I suggest you to choose move option. And now this album is created. So to hide it, you need to press and hold it. And on the bottom, choose hide. After that, confirm. And now this album disappears from your gallery, and if you wanna see it again, tap on the three dots, go in settings, and here tap view hidden albums. And now here it is. You can easily unhide it if you tap that option, and now it will reappear in your gallery. Now the second method with the help of which you can hide your photos and videos is to set lock on your gallery app. For that, go in your settings, here find apps and choose app lock. And if you are doing it for the first time, you'll need to sign in your Xiaomi account and also create either a pattern or password or PIN code. Mine is created already, so I'm gonna just enter it. And after that, you would see this list of apps which you can lock. We can use search bar and manually enter gallery to find it, and now we can lock it by tapping on the switcher. And now let's tap cancel, and also we can tap settings icon. Here go in lock settings and choose when this app will be locked. When device is locked, or after exiting app, when device is locked, or in 1 minute after exiting app. I'm gonna choose this second option, and we can also choose to hide notification content from this particular app. Here you can also add fingerprint unlock, face unlock. You can change password type, you can disable to show pattern, and that's it. Now let's test it. I'm gonna open my gallery, and now it requires my pattern, as you can see. So after drawing it, I can view content of my gallery app. And as you can see, it is working just fine. So this is how you can just hide photos and videos with the help of setting lock on your gallery. And the last way how we can do it is with the help of creating second space. So for that, stay in your settings. Here choose additional settings, and after that scroll down and find second space. Now we need to turn it on, so let's do it. And as you can see, it is creating second space. So basically you can use your device like two devices at the same time. So you can have one data in your first space and another type of data in your second space. So here, let's tap continue. We can choose to use a password or use a shortcut to switch between spaces. Let's select using a password and tap continue. Here we need to set password. So in my case, it would be pattern. And now we need to draw different type of pattern for the second space. Now we need to draw it again and confirm. And after that, you can also add fingerprint, but I'm gonna skip this step. And now it is switching to second space. So just take a look at the difference. And this is my second space. Here you can hide your gallery. Here, if you wanna switch back to the first space, just find this icon switch, tap it. And here you need to either verify your fingerprint or choose to enter password. And now it is simply switching to our first space. So let's select it again. And yep, now you can see that we can go to second space right from the settings, and we can tap this recycle bin here to delete this second space thing. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!